Hey, I'm Ben from Baratza, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to dial in your Encore ESP Pro for a great cup of French press coffee. French press is a classic. Simple to use, easy to clean, is known for its full-bodied, rich flavor. Paired with the ESP Pro's integrated grind timer, it's the perfect hands-off brew. You'll need a French press. We're using one from ESP Pro with a fine mesh screen, a scale or scoop, a kettle, a timer, something to stir with, and your Encore ESP Pro. Brews will vary depending on the size of your press, but my brew recipe is 56 grams of freshly ground coffee, 890 milliliters or about 30 ounces of filtered water between 200 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 to 96 degrees Celsius, and about 4 minutes of brew time. Since I'm brewing with a large 32-ounce press, I'm using the shutoff hopper. Drop it on, twist until it clicks, and turn the knob to open the flow of beans. I'm grinding by time to keep things consistent every morning, but first we'll grind in single dose mode to see how long that grind takes. Set the grind to 52, which gives us a coarse grind, ideal for French press. This is towards the coarser end of the French press range in the quick start guide. I've weighed out 56 grams of coffee and loaded it into the hopper. Hit the button in single dose mode and watch the timer on the screen. That tells you how long your grind takes for grinding in timer mode in the future. Once you've got the number, switch to timer mode and set it for about 2 seconds less. Grinding is a little faster when the hopper's full. Heat up your press with hot water, then dump it out. Add your ground coffee. Start your timer and begin your first pour, just enough to cover the grounds. I'll let that bloom for 1 minute with the lid on to trap heat and the aroma. Now give it a gentle stir to saturate all the grounds. Pour in the remaining water. And pop the lid back on. We're going to let it steep until the timer hits 4 minutes. Time to press. Go slow and steady. Don't rush it. Then pour yourself a cup and taste. Bold, sweet, and full-bodied, the classic French press profile. Not tasting quite right? Try this. Too weak or watery? Grind a setting or two finer. You may be under-extracting the coffee. Tastes sour or looks muddy? Grind a bit coarser. Too fine a grind can over-extract or slip through the mesh. Make sure you're not skipping the stir after blooming the coffee. That agitation helps to bring out the flavor. Have questions? Reach out to us at baratza.com/support and don't forget to follow along for more brew guides. Baratza, well grounded for over 25 years.